Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw Lapras versus Magmar in a Pokemon Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Lapras versus Magmar Pokemon Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines to show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I'm going to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for that fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin with Lapras. So I'm going to begin right here with the eye. So what I want to do is I just want to bring a line that's just going to kind of slowly curve down like this. I'm going to bring this line here. Then I'm going to slowly curve it to here. I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to draw a little oval shape for like the reflection. Now for the color in the eye, let's go up. We're going to kind of curve down and up and come back down. Then let's just go ahead and color in this part. And we're going to leave everything else white in here. We'll draw a little curved line right here. Then starting here, let's just draw a line that's just going to curve down. We'll do a little dot for the nose. Make a line that goes up. It's going to come straight up and then curved back down for the horn. Then let's draw a little line here for the head. For the ears, let's curl this line around and we'll put a little bump in there. And then we'll make another little bump here. Then I'm going to bring this line down. Now right here, I'm going to bring this line over. Then I'm going to bring this line down to here. Then I'll bring this line all the way down. For the shell, let's just make a little line that's going to curve up and down. We'll make a little spike and then a little line here. Now over here for Magmar, let's start with the eyes. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve around, and I'm going to come right to here. I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve down and up for the eye. And a little dot there. We'll make a little line here. And then for that beak, I'm going to bring this line up and down and then over to here. I'll make this line come down and then right up to here. Kind of looks like a duck beak. I'm going to make some little wiggly pointed lines up here that are just going to come back down. We'll draw a little curve, and then we're going to put some more little points here. We'll make a curved shape right here. And we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, over, and up for the neck. Then we're going to make a circle shape for the arm. Then we're going to make these little kind of like squared shapes right on here just for some detail. Then we're going to curve this line down. Then we're going to add some little curvy flame lines on there. And then we're going to make a few spikes in the back. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have both Pokemon staring each other down. Now let's work on Lapras over here. So I'm going to begin by making this line come down. Then I'm going to bring this up and then curve it to here. I'm going to bring this line up and over to here. I'm going to make this line come down to here. And then we're just going to make this line come down to connect. We'll draw a little line for the tongue. And then I want Lapras doing the Ice Ray attack, or excuse me, Ice Beam attack. Now, to start off with that, I'm just going to begin by making some kind of jagged lines. They're going to come right to here. And then some more right to here. When they get out here, I'm going to make just some kind of pointed lines right here. Then I'm going to add 2 little triangles for teeth and a little tooth down here. Then I'm going to add a line down here and a line right here just to make the mouth look a little bit more 3D. Now over here, I'm going to make Magmar's flamethrower attack. So I'm going to bring this line out to here. Then I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to bring it all the way down to here. We'll curve this up to here, and then we're going to bring this line all the way to here. Make a little line for the tongue. And we're going to make some fire blasts coming right over here, and some more kind of wiggly fire on here for his flamethrower attack. We'll draw a line here, and then a line coming back up for that other side of his beak. Then we're just going to bring this line all the way down to connect. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Lapras versus Magmar Pokemon Surprise Fold. When we have it all folded up, they're having a nice face-off, and when we open it up, they're using their Ice Beam and Flamethrower attacks to battle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.